How to make Snapchat account private. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video, and on today's video we will see how we can make our Snapchat account private. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Snapchat application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. After that, tap on your Bitmoji icon from the top left corner. Again, navigate to top right hand side and then tap on the gear icon. That's gonna take you to your settings page. Now, to make this Snapchat account private, you have to come to your privacy settings. So for that, scroll down a bit and then go to privacy control section. So from there, first of all, tap on view my story, and here make sure that you have selected the first option, that is view my story. After that, go back and from here tap on the first option, that is contact me, and here make sure you have selected the first option, that is friends. Now again go back and from here you have to go to activity indicator and make sure that your toggle has been turned off. Once it's turned off, no one will be able to view if you're active on Snapchat recently. After that, again go back and then tap on comment setting, and from here make sure that you have the first option selected, that is manually approve. So once you have turned all these settings, your account will be set to private. So this is a way to make a Snapchat account private, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.